It's important to version your LiveGroups as you make changes. This makes it really easy to load in a previous version if you're unhappy with some changes that you've made. In this video, I'll cover the common workflow for versioning your LiveGroups. This process could be automated using a script. However, for the purpose of this video, I'll demonstrate it manually. So when publishing your LiveGroup, it's common practice to name your file as VO1, VO2, etc. as you make your changes. So I'll publish this LiveGroup as Loft Scene Setup VO1, and then make a quick change and publish this new one as VO2. As well as this, I'd publish another .livegroup file as loft scene setup _latest. As I said, this versioning process could be automated, and some studios would use their asset management system for this. Now this latest file is the one that would be loaded into your projects. This way, all the instances of your LiveGroup will update as a new latest file is published. Otherwise, you would need to right-click and load the new VO, whichever version of your file. If you have instances of your LiveGroup that you don't want to update, then you can load a previous version of the file to make sure those instances don't get updated automatically. So that's covered how to properly version your LiveGroups for production. In the next and final video in this series, I'll cover a few different workflow examples for utilizing LiveGroups in your pipeline.